Hey viewers, welcome back to another video. Today me and Ian are going to be doing an underwater fireworks experiment.
Yeah.
So what you're gonna need is a glass of water, a glass of oil, and some food coloring.
Yeah.
Okay, so how many colors you have?
4.
We're using 4.
Okay, what are the colors?
Red, yellow, blue, and green.
Okay, so what are you going to do first?
First
I
you have
want to
to
do blue.
squeeze the fruit.
Don't do too much, okay.
What do I do?
Yeah, your
Okay,
turn.
now you do another side of it.
Is this enough?
Good. That's good.
Good. Now put the next color.
I'll do green.
Okay.
My turn.
Maybe Iram needs to put a little bit. Okay, good.
Good. Yeah.
What other colors did you put, Iram?
So I put green and blue and
So okay, so put the blue a little bit more, maybe
okay. I'll put
2 more drops, okay?
Okay. Okay.
Can I mix it? I want to
Okay,
mix
now
it.
what you gonna do?
Can I mix it?
Wait.
You mix it while I mix it.
Okay, now help her. Now you do it, Iram.
Okay.
Oh yeah, and you're also gonna need something to mix it, like a spoon. So yeah, we use a spoon
You're
to
done?
mix.
Okay, now you can
Okay.
put the spoon in the plate. On the plate.
Okay. Can you put
Okay,
a little
so
bit?
now-
I put a little bit.
Okay, so now you're gonna want to mix.
I think you get to do
1,
it because I'm
2,
really
3,
mixed
yeah.
back.
I don't think you can do it. Okay, now we mixed it with the water. So let's see. How
It's
the
still
color
falling.
works. Still falling.
You see
So now you can
it?
see if there is any changes there.
Is it falling yet?
Still falling, almost done.
Okay, now we see the fireworks. It's coming. See the blue color, green, yellow,
I can't. Can I?
red. Okay, wait, Rafan, move that thing.
I can't
Wow,
see.
look
I
at this
can't.
Wait,
beautiful-
Iram.
Wow.
Look at the blue.
See the
And
color
the blue one looks.
yeah.
The blue one looks like a butterfly. Whoa,
No.
there's
Now the green,
look. Where's the yellow?
red, yellow. I see the yellow there.
Blue, green, red, and
Wow, beautiful.
yellow.
So
Yes.
you're mix
Mm,
the underwater fireworks.
Underwater.
Looks cool, doesn't it?
It's very cool.
yeah. It's almost like turning greenish on all of them. Greenish blush.
No.
See.
So that means you put less red.
Yeah.
No,
And
the-
yellow.
No, the red is coming. Red and yellow is coming too, but
Yellow's hard.
to see. Yellow is
Yellow's
hard
hard to see. It's like
Very nice. Very cool. So this is how under the
yeah.
water fireworks.
Ooh.
Yeah, that's what
It looks like
Oh,
black.
it's still coming. Okay, we'll wait
Black
until
here.
it finish. Rafan, move a little bit, then the viewers can see. No, you move a little bit from that.
Oh,
this way.
okay.
Yeah. No,
Oh, wow, it looks so beautiful.
it looks beautiful.
Albert the challenge.
See how how all the colors is coming down.
Yeah. Oh, it's turning black.
Yeah. Put it more closer.
It's turning black here.
Now
It's like,
turning black on the bottom.
yeah.
Because maybe you put less red.
And yellow.
Next time you're gonna put more red.
How is that? It's like a spooky color that you will see in Halloween.
No.
In the darkness.
No, it just looks dark.
Dark and dark.
Very cool.
So since
So how was it, Iram? Did
it
you
was
like that?
good. Yeah, it was very much
I
good.
liked it. It was pretty fun.
No, you could do this in your home also. too, but make sure to put more. But
More
make
red,
sure,
to see
yeah,
the moon
more
color,
red
color.
and more yellow. And don't put too much
Like put a
blue or
good
green.
variety of
Don't
colors.
Yeah.
Don't put too much green
And
or
put
blue.
an equal amount of each.
Yeah.
So
So thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit that like button.
and turn on notifications so you know when we upload a video.
Thank-
And help us reach 1,000 subscribers. Thanks
Thanks
for
for
watching.
watching.
Wait for the next video.
Yeah,
Bye.
bye.